quick project of today. I have this Boss MG10 guitar amplifier that I've had since I was 14 years old, 48 now. Wow, which I had for a long time. It doesn't have an external speaker connection, and that's what I want to use. I almost bought a different amp, but I don't have to because I can modify this. So I had this Fender Greta amp, which I recorded through this external speaker and microphone. The Greta has an external connection. I wanted to use the other amplifier, the Boss one, but it did not have an external speaker connection. So this is a quick fix for that. One thing I didn't think about was that the plug I was going to use had short threading for metal enclosures, and other plugs I could find were not switchable with longer threads, so I had to use some metal. I don't like this. Another problem I ran into is that I've got a lot of bits for steel, but no 10mm, which I need. I've got a whole lot of 10mm wood drills. So now it's going to be an 11mm hole on my wobbly Kinzo drill press. It works. I just forgot that I do have a lot of these drills, and yeah, there's 10mm there. I think I'm gonna drill a 40mm hole in the back. There we go. Cool thing about those Forstner bits is that they drill very nice, precise holes, and with a little bit of black paint on the inside, it's gonna look very cool. Soldering all the wires to the connector, and then we're done. Here we go. External speaker outputs. Quick and dirty! Did you like this quick fix? I hope so. Like, subscribe, do all the things the YouTubers say that you have to do somewhere. I don't know. Just do it.